Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Shubro the Geek. I am your host, I am your host Shubro. So today we'll be reviewing Tag Verb Ultra, the smartwatch which I tested a couple of weeks back. The watch was bought by me and I tested it for a few days, and then something happened. All and everything I'm going to talk about it, the experiences which I had with the watch, and if you should purchase it according to you. I will be providing some ratings in the end of the video, so stay tuned. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, please give me a like, and please share it with your friends so that I can bring this contents out to you as soon as possible. So without further ado, I am your host Shubro. You are watching Shubro the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, I had purchased Tag Verb Ultra on 2nd of October and it came to me on 3rd of October. I used it for the entire day and there were many things which were mismatching, like the steps count. I counted 100 steps and it was showing around 80 to 83 steps. I checked it 5 times, and then the sleep tracking was not there. The sleep tracking didn't happen for 2 days. Okay, I gave it that. Then what happened was I unpaired the watch from my phone and I tried to repair it again with my phone, but it couldn't do. So what I did, I called up Amazon customer service and they sent a replacement product. So I used that and the same thing happened, and finally I returned the product. It was a very bad experience for me since I was a huge fan of Tag and I used it for a lot of things. I like from the very beginning when it launched, the Inferno, the Tag Loop, I still have them. But I was very disappointed on getting such a bad product from Tag, and it made my heart sank. So the next thing was heart rate monitor and SpO2. Heart rate monitor and SpO2 was quite accurate on that watch, and it had a various number of band options of 20 mm, and it has a magnetic band which is the cheapest in the market, and it was of the best quality. I loved it. The build on the watch was very good. Each and everything of the watch was very good. It supported in-app GPS, that is, it will be using the GPS from your phone, and it will track your movements, and it was pretty accurate in my testings. So I loved the watch, but the fact that once I unpaired it, it couldn't pair. What I did was I uninstalled the app also, and the same thing persisted. It went on for like a couple of times, and then during pujas I had to return it. So that's a very big disappointment which I had along about the watch. And that was all for the review, guys. If you want to purchase it for like heart rate and SpO2, I would be giving it pretty high rating of 9 out of 10. And if you want to get it for those purposes, you would be very happy. For other purposes like sleep tracking or pedometer, or say for example alarm and all, was very good. It had another thing was that calculator, in watch calculator, it had a game using its gyroscope. You can play that game. That was a very good touch, and for that I would be giving it around 8 out of 10. And for the sleep tracking, it was like horrible. So I'd be rating it around 4 or 4.5 out of 10. And the step was like 80% accurate, so I'd be giving it 80% marks only. That's 8 out of 10. And that's it for the review of the watch, guys. That was a review which I faced. I may have received 2 faulty pieces, but what you can try it out for yourself, and you may have different results. Also guys, I purchased a new watch. It is from Boat and it will be delivered today, and after it is delivered I'll be unboxing and posting an unboxing video, and after 2 weeks of testing I'll be posting the review of that watch too. So guys, stay tuned and stay updated with the content of my channel. And guys, if you like this kind of video, please give a thumbs up to the video and please share it with your friends. A sub to the channel would be quite greatly appreciated with a press on the bell icon so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video or a new update to the channel. And guys, that's all for the day. I was your host Shubro, signing off with the review of TagVerb Ultra. See you in my next video. Bye bye.